If you're craving something bold and cozy, this Bison Verde Chili delivers big flavor with a spicy twist. It's slowly simmered, packed with roasted peppers, fresh herbs, and perfectly tender bison. We'll start by sauteing Great Range Bison stewing meat in vegetable oil until it's just beginning to brown. Then we'll stir in onion, shallot, garlic, green chili flakes, tropical orange zest powder, oregano, and cumin. This chili really shines after a slow cook. As the aromatics soften and release their fragrance, pour in broth and bring everything to a steady simmer. Let it gently bubble away, giving the spices time to melt into the liquid and the bison time to become incredibly tender. While the base cooks, roast poblanos, jalapeños, and tomatillos until blistered and slightly charred. Remove the skin and transfer to a food processor and blend while still warm until smooth. Then we'll add fresh cilantro and pulse again to create a bright herbaceous sauce with just the right amount of kick. After the bison has simmered for about 90 minutes and is fork tender, stir in the verde sauce and continue to let it cook for another 30 minutes. This final simmer allows everything to come together into one rich, cohesive stew with layers of flavor in every spoonful. Bison is naturally leaner than beef and packed with protein and iron, so you get all of the hearty comfort of a classic chili with a lighter nutritional profile. Serve it over fluffy white rice, top with a little extra cilantro if you like, and dinner is served. For even more incredible bison recipes, head over to greatrangebison.com.